Go.
Good day, ma'am. I am Chloe Mayan Garcia, your student nurse from NCNP, and I'm here today to assess your hair, skin, and nails. But before that, can you state your name and your birthday, ma'am?
So, I am Arabella Ganala po, and my birthday is April 18, 2005.
Okay. What do you want me to address you po?
Ara na lang po.
What language do you prefer po, ma'am?
It's okay if it's English or Tagalog po.
Before assessing your hair, skin, and nails po, I'll explain the purpose of this assessment po. So the purpose of this assessment is to see if there is any abnormalities po. Okay, ma'am, before we proceed po, can you remove all your clothes po and change into examination gown po? Before we proceed po, I'm going to perform hand hygiene first. Okay, ma'am, let's proceed po. Can you extend po your hand to inspect your skin if there is any lesions, bruises, or any skin discoloration po? Okay po, it's normal naman po. Okay, next po, I'm going to check your temperature using the back of my hands po. It's normal naman po. Okay, ma'am, let's proceed po. I'm going to palpate your skin po under your clavicle by gently pinching it po. Okay, ma'am. There is no signs of dehydration po. Okay po, I'm going to perform palpation for edema. It's normal naman po. Okay, let's proceed po. I'm going to inspect your hair and scalp po. It's normal naman po. Do you have any concerns or questions po, ma'am? Okay, thank you for participation po.
Thank you po.